Hi, my name is Kathleen Hall, and I'm a Master of Applied Computer Science student at Frostburg State University. I come from a business background. My undergraduate is finance and my master's is in business from the University of Florida. I worked for many years in consulting, for business consulting, and it required a lot of long hours and basically 100% travel. So when my first child was born, I stopped working, and then when my youngest child decided to go to college, or actually went to college, I decided that I wanted to go back to school to get a master's in computer science. And when I was looking at different programs, Frostburg quickly rose to the top. It had so many things going for it. It was online, and it was and it's applied, which was really important to me because I didn't want to do a program that was really big on theory. I wanted something that would teach me how to do things that I could use in the real world. And it was a great value. And probably the most unique thing, the thing that I really liked about it, was that it doesn't require an undergraduate in computer science. So the way that they handle that is, if you don't have the undergraduate in computer science, they have additional courses that you can take to bring you up to speed. So I took a couple of object-oriented programming classes, and then to round out your skills and your computer science skills, they have some foundational courses, including algorithms and software engineering, and which is pretty high level. It's not as scary as it sounds, but it's analysis and design type work. And then they have a couple database classes that teach you SQL and about relational databases. And then my favorite classes of those foundational classes are the web development classes. And then once you get through those, then you can, of course, choose among different routes to specialize in. So after you get through those foundational courses, there are lots of options of classes that you can take from there. So depending on what your interests are. So anyway, I've already gotten a freelance position, which is what I was kind of interested in doing. And it's with a small business, a local small business, and I built them a transactional system that's on a relational database, and it has a web component, which I learned how to, from my web development class, I learned how to build websites and build stacks, and this one happens to be a web stack. And so I've already I feel like I've really gotten a lot of benefits already. I'm only halfway through the program, but I've gotten a lot of benefits from the Frostburg program. And I would say that if you're wanting to advance your career, or maybe switch your career to computer science, or if you're like me and you're just wanting to get back into the work world and get some skills to do that, I would definitely recommend Frostburg's program.